You have one where you're carefully, mind you, facing the wall, like that.
See, the other thing is you got the shadow. You got her butt's shadow coming out, which is really nice.
I've never heard that term before, butt shadow.
Butt shadow. Like a 5 o'clock shadow.
But better.
Only and better.
I've never had a 5 o'clock shadow look good though.
Yeah, I can't say I've never had a 5 o'clock shadow.
I have a spray that we can do. One of those hairsprays.
I don't even want to imagine that one. That was good.
I hate when that happens though.
What, 5 o'clock shadow?
On your butt.
When you experience it, let me know how it is.
Yeah. That's great. I was wondering, can you tilt this your light up a little bit? Because she's a little bit higher now.
Tilt it up or down?
Up. Because she's higher? Very well. Let's try that. See if that looks right. Wow. That's really cool. If your body's facing this way, can you turn your body the opposite corner?
Careful.
Very careful. And then maybe looking back towards the camera. Kind of like that. As best you can.
Gotta watch your light on her face. What I found the other day, when she got up high, I couldn't get light because it blocking the window, right?
It's actually looking pretty good here so far. That's a good idea, that's cool. Just one more shot like that looking back at me. From now on, listen to the model. That's great. Might not work at all, actually. Oh, she's casting a shadow too. As well as your light putting that shadow, she's casting a shadow.
She's turning away from the light, right?
Yeah.
But
you can see the curves, like, well, it's a little bit, it's hitting her, but you can see her shadows in there.
It's the production studio shot.
Yeah. Except I got more light on her face. Oh, jeez. That's a little pretty good like that.
Oh man, I'm pumped about that window on the black. I always wanted to use those windows, but we never really thought outside the box.
I'm looking out the window if you can. If it's too bright, you can't do that, but it was okay. Chin down a little bit. I just want to see both like that.
There, I see your eyes.
Yeah. Turn your head just slightly towards me so I can see both. Yeah, nice. Dancing's good.
Uh-oh. We'll have to get the hoist out to get you back up. End of the shoot.
You're going to need an orderly or something here. That's great. Let's do one more shot here. Nice and low to the floor. You shouldn't have to lay down.